Hey there, I'm Roben-Marie Smith, and in this video, I'm going to show you the pieces that I created in the 100-Day Project 2024, days 81 through 100. Yes, we've hit 100. I'm so excited. And then I'm going to show those to you, and then I'm going to pick one, and I'm going to do a mixed media project with one of them. And I hope that you'll enjoy it and that you'll be inspired. So thanks for watching. Hey there, and welcome to days 81 through 100. I am really excited to finally have completed the 100-Day Project 2024, where I have created 100 of these stitched collages. I'm calling these wishing threads. So if you've been following along, or if you've watched any of the other videos, you've seen these. They're made with paper and fabric, and a lot of them have some lace or other types of little ribbons or other bits. And of course, they all have a collection of found words on them. And so these are what I created for the 100-Day Project 2024. I learned this from my friend Colleen Attara, and I'll put in the link below, or I'll put her link in the description on the class that she teaches how to make these. So if you're interested in learning, you can take her class. So that is days 81 through 100 of the 100-Day Project 2024. And stay tuned, or I'm going to use one of my favorites in a mixed media project. All right, I think for this one, I'm going to mix things up a little bit, and I'm going to use a panel. I've done journal pages, I've done tags, so I think this time we're going to do something a little bit different. And this is just an artist panel. It's 5 by 5, and I've already opened it up. It's just hollow kind of here on the bottom. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some modeling paste. I'm going to put some of that on first. All right, I'm just going to use this. This is a catalyst tool. Okay, I think that's good. And so there's a little bit, I think you can see it at that angle, where there's a little bit of raised area on that. Once this is dry, I'm going to brush on some white acrylic. The modeling paste kind of has a gray cast to it, and I don't really like that color. You can kind of see maybe in the video, it's a little bit white, and then the modeling paste is kind of gray. So I'm just going to paint that so that it has white in the back. And then I'm going to also paint the sides black. I want to contrast the black, the size of it with the black. So I'm going to use acrylic paint for that as well. I just have a smaller brush. This one's more of a flat, and so it's easier for me to get right up to the edges here. I've watered down a little bit of my acrylic because I don't have fluid black, and I'm using a round brush. I want the water or the paint to just be a little bit more, a little waterier, thinner. That's what I'm looking for, the word thinner. All right, so now I'm just gonna do some, I think I'm gonna go with some swirls. So I wanna try to do this very, very loose, which is good. That's good. All right, the last step is just going to be figuring out which one of these I want to put on here. And I won't use the whole thing because they're not the right size, but all right, I think it's this one. So now I've got to trim the parts that I don't want to use. And then I'll just be able to use those for something else, right? Okay. All right, I'm going to use a glue stick for this. My favorite is Prit. It's very sticky and it holds very well. I use it on fabric, I use it on paper, and it will work nicely on this as well. All right, so I like that little, it almost kind of looks like it's flowing together. All right, this is where I go into my scrap pile. I have this little, these are like cut off pieces from ones I've done before. And sometimes I can get a piece that I like to kind of go with it. That'll work. So let's cut it. All right, I like that. That's good. That's very good. And I like the little hint of the black underneath there. Yeah, I think that works. All right, so that was one of my projects from the 100-day project, days 81 through 90. And I don't know which day I picked, but it says like a looking glass. So that was a very quick and easy, small little piece of art. All right, thanks for watching.